Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Serene. This is my second channel, which is all lifestyle, random things that I'm passionate about. Today's video, we're going to share with you how I make a air fryer fried pickles. Now, to be completely honest, I am not a fan of pickles. I usually hate them, but fried pickles in the air fryer are not only a healthier option than potato chips, especially the kinds I like, but they're delicious and I like it. I really like, I didn't think I would ever like pickles. So we're gonna use the air fryer, which we're obsessed with, Chris and I. I keep saying we're, but Chris and I, he's upstairs working. So if you watch my vlogs, you know we're obsessed with the air fryer. If you follow me on Insta stories, you know we're seriously obsessed with the air fryer, thanks to my friend Samantha, who also has a YouTube channel, Make It Up with Samantha. And she's the one who gave me this little air fryer fried pickle recipe, as well as the bagel one. But today we're talking about some delicious fried pickles, thanks to Samantha. So what you're going to need for the breading is some panko breadcrumbs. I chose the gluten-free version, and this is also Italian style. Hubs bought this. It actually saves me a little bit of time in seasoning the breading. Then you're probably gonna want some salt, some black pepper. I really recommend the Parmesan cheese. This really makes them the most delicious. I like a little kick, so some cayenne and then some garlic salt. You can really mix whatever you like, but most importantly, you need some panko breadcrumbs and then season as you wish. Highly recommend some sort of Parmesan cheese as well. You're definitely going to need some pickles, since this is fried pickles. This is our hero ingredient. And then you're going to want to drain some of it from the pickle juice. So I just pulled some out and have it in this little drainer and in this bowl to hopefully catch any of the extra juice. So that's gonna sit there while I prep the breadcrumbs. You'll need to whisk up 1 egg, possibly 2. I'm starting with 1 because I don't like to waste these egg washes. So I just use a fork and kind of beat it like that until it comes to this consistency. This would be the only thing that makes it, well, no, the Parmesan cheese, but that's easily replaceable with a vegan Parmesan cheese. This would make it non-vegan as well, but you could easily replace this with some sort of like sticky mixture. I think you can maybe even use the chickpea water from a can of chickpeas. I have to double check with that, but you could easily make this vegan. We are using an air fryer today, so this is the grapeseed oil spray. It's non-stick. I just like to spray this in the air fryer and on top of the pickles so that it has a little bit of a crisp. You don't need it. You can do this oil-free as well, but it might stick to the air fryer, so I do recommend coating your air fryer with some sort of light oil. So here is our air fryer that we recently bought last week, and this is from Chefman. We found it at Best Buy. We got it for just under $80, but with tax it came out to about $80. This has been probably the best $80 we have spent in a long time. We've found so much joy in making food in this thing. It's so easy to clean, and so much healthier than frying foods. So you'll see it's a pretty large enough. It's large enough for Chris and me, so 2 people. Sometimes I do have to do multiple batches to get everything cooked for 1 meal. Quality is pretty impressive. We've used it almost every single day. Definitely want to see how this wears in a few months, because I do know that, you know, appliances break down, but hopefully this one will last us a while. And even if not, I feel like we're getting our money's worth. So to get started, I'm gonna add the panko. A good healthy portion of that, since this is your main breading. Then I'm gonna add some Parmesan because I love cheese. A little bit of salt, cayenne, black pepper, a dash of garlic salt, and just mix that up together really well. I like to take a little pinch and taste it to make sure it's the right flavoring. Egg wash here. Oh, also, side note, this is pre-made because I already had it during the week, but this is a cup of Greek yogurt mixed with a packet of ranch dressing, and it's a healthier ranch, but so freaking delicious. So I'm gonna put this back in the fridge. I just wanted to show you guys, this is what I'm gonna be dipping the fried pickles in. So just buy a packet of dry ranch and mix it with a cup of Greek yogurt, non-fat Greek yogurt. Thank you to Samantha for that tip. A clean plate to place the finished pickles for frying. I'm gonna take the pickle, I'm gonna dip it into the egg wash, I'm gonna dip it into the breadcrumbs, and you wanna make sure you press in the breadcrumbs really well, because this is an air fryer, there is air blowing through the machine. You don't want the breadcrumbs to come off, so I like to press quite hard to get that breading all up in there. You're gonna repeat. You can throw a couple pickles in there at a time. So we've set the Chefman air fryer to 350-ish, and it's gonna like 10 minutes-ish. We'll also obviously make it go up. So we are heating it a little bit. We've also sprayed this down with some of the grapeseed oil spray. You wanna give them a little bit of room so that the air does circulate. You just pop it in. We have it set at 10 minutes. I'll probably flip it around 5 minutes and double check on it, and then it'll be done, and I'll put in the next batch while we eat the first batch. How excited are you? So it just dinged. Ooh, do you want it a little bit longer? I feel like we could do a little longer.
Maybe just a little bit. Yeah.
We're doing 5 more minutes. So these are the finished fried pickles, and then we're putting in a second batch right now, popping that in. Oh! Pickle fell off. So good. That cayenne. Oh my god. It's so good. You want a bite? Ow! You like bit my hand. How is it?
I don't know. I think I need another sample to confirm. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's an 11-teen.
You're such a nerd. Better than the first time I made them? We just finished the first batch of these. Oh my god, they're so good. So good. I even like pickles. We ate 2 batches. It's like our recipe videos. It's not really our recipe, it's Samantha's, but if you like us sharing with you how we make things, subscribe, let us know in the comments. And let us know what else you'd like to see.
Sorry, it's still in there. I'm afraid if I talk, it's all over the camera. It's like right there.
Hope you guys enjoyed our fried pickle cooking, eating. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll be back with more videos. Bye. Honey, like his fried pickles. I don't think, you like came, he was working upstairs and he literally came downstairs before they were even done and was like, are they ready?
I've been wanting the fried pickles all day long. Like, I've been dreaming about these fried pickles since earlier today.
But I had to clean everything and set everything up before before I made some.
Well worth the wait.
We ate 2 batches. There's 4 more pickles left in there. Chefman,
thank you.
you're amazing. Thank you, not in the sense that you gave this to us. We bought it, but we're just saying, like,
Thank you for your invention.
I don't know that they invented the air fryer.
Thank you for your manufacturing.
Thank you to Samantha for giving us all the recipes.
And for turning us on to this. But yes, thank you, Chefman, for producing and distributing. And thank you, Best Buy, for stocking it and matching the price.
What's crazy is, like, you were like so resistant to this air fryer.
No, I wasn't. I wasn't resistant. I just didn't want to spend the money.
I came running home after I learned about the air fryer from Samantha, because I've been seeing her Facebook post all week, or for months now, and then I ran home and I went to go hang out with Samantha, and I was like, I need to see this air fryer. She showed me and she was telling me about it, and she was so passionate about it. I was like, I need this air fryer. I came home and I was like, gonna take me to go buy an air fryer?
Just so you know, we've had this thing a week. Two of my friends now have already.
Oh, and Sarah wants to come over and use it and get one too.
Like 2 of my friends went out and bought one because I keep texting pictures.
Who was the other one?
Aaron.
Oh, Aaron bought one?
Yeah.
Oh, that one's perfectly crisp.